अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम चैप्टर 5 सॉलिड्स केमिस्ट्री का MD CAT के लिए डिस्कस करेंगे फॉर द रिवीजन ऑफ योर MCQs। Let's start. MCQs number 1. A class of materials that solidify from the molten state without crystallization are number 1 true solids, number 2 amorphous solids, number 3 crystalline solids, number 4 none. Correct option is amorphous solids. MCQs number 2. It is a giant molecule. Number 1 silicon dioxide, number 4 methane, number 3 carbon dioxide, number 4 ammonium. Correct option is silicon dioxide. Number 3 molecular crystals are number 1 soft, number 2 hard, number 3 very hard, number 4 polar. Correct option is soft. MCQs number 4. Diamond has an overall structure. Number 1 face centered cubic, number 2 square planar, number 3 tetragonal, number 4 hexagonal. Correct option is face centered cubic. MCQs number 5. Crystals that are formed due to London forces are number 1 ionic, number 2 covalent, number 3 molecular, number 4 metallic. Correct option is molecular. MCQs number 6. Ionic solids are characterized by option number 1 low melting point, number 2 high vapor pressure, number 3 good conductors in solid state, number 4 soluble in polar solvent. Correct option is soluble in polar solvents. MCQs number 7. The overall ratio of silicon to oxygen atoms in silicon dioxide is 1:4, 1:2, 4:1, 2:1. Correct option is 1:2. MCQs number 8. Carbon-carbon bond length in diamond crystal is option number 1 109.5 picometer, number 2 10.95 picometer, number 3 1.095 picometer, option number 4 1095 picometer. Correct option is 109.5 picometer. MCQs number 9. In interior of silicon dioxide, each silicon atom is directly connected with number 1 2 oxygen atoms, number 2 4 oxygen atoms, number 3 2 oxygen atoms and 2 silicon atoms, number 4 4 silicon atoms. Correct option is 4 oxygen atoms. MCQ number 10. Iodine is molecular solid due to number 1 ionic bonding, number 2 covalent bonding, number 3 metallic bonding, number 4 van der Waals forces. Correct option is van der Waals forces. MCQ number 11. Coordination number of each ion in sodium chloride is option number 1 4, number 2 6, number 3 8, number 4 10. Correct option is 6. MCQs number 12. Best conductors of electricity are number 1 ionic solids, number 2 covalent solids, number 3 metallic solids, number 4 molecular solids. Correct option is metallic solids. MCQ number 13. It is incorrect about silica. Number 1. Each silicon atom is bound tetrahedrally to 4 oxygen atoms. Number 2. Every oxygen atom is bonded to 2 silicon atoms. Number 3. Structure of silica is considered to be essentially one molecule. Number 4. Has very high thermal expansion. Correct option is has very high thermal expansion. MCQ number 14. On the basis of bonding, covalent solids are classified into types. Number 1 2, number 2 4, number 3 6 and number 4 7. Correct option is 4. MCQ number 15. Ionic crystals are not characterized by number 1 high melting point, number 2 solubility in polar solvents, number 3 conductors in molten state, number 4 conductors in solid state. Correct option is conductors in solid state. MCQ number 16. Sodium chloride crystal is number 1 cubic, number 2 hexagonal, number 3 tetragonal, number 4 triclinic. Correct option is cubic. MCQ number 17. Number of tetrahedral carbon atoms in unit cell of diamond are number 1 1, option number 2 2, number 3 3, number 4 4. Correct option is 4. MCQ number 18. The number of chloride ions per unit cell of sodium chloride are option number 1 2, option number 2 4, option number 3 6, option number 4 8. Correct option is 4. MCQ number 19. The diamond crystal is number 1 ionic, number 2 covalent, number 3 molecular, number 4 metallic. Correct option is covalent. MCQs number 20. Unit cell of sodium chloride contains ion pairs. Number 1 8, number 2 6, number 3 4, number 4 2. Correct option is 4. MCQ number 21. It is not a property of silica. Number 1 high surface activity, number 2 refractory, number 3 insulator, number 4 high thermal expansion. Correct option is high thermal expansion. MCQs number 22. Silicon dioxide is an example of number 1 ionic crystal, number 2 covalent crystal, number 3 metallic crystal, number 4 molecular crystal. Correct option is covalent crystal. MCQs number 23. Carbon atom in diamond is number 1 sp hybridized, number 2 sp2 hybridized, number 3 sp3 hybridized, number 4 none. Correct option is sp3 hybridized. MCQ number 24. II bond difference between 12 gram and 12S is 271.5 picometer, 4.9 picometer, 266.6 picometer, 9.6 picometer. Correct option is 4.9 picometer. MCQ number 25. Which of the following crystals is expected to be soft and have low melting point? Number 1 ionic, number 2 molecular, number 3 covalent, number 4 metallic. Correct option is molecular. MCQ number 26. In sodium iodide, which type of crystalline solids are present? Number 1 ionic solids, number 2 metallic solids, number 3 covalent solids, number 4 molecular solids. Correct option is ionic solids. MCQ number 27. A substance which can exist in more than one crystalline form is called number 1 polymers, number 2 isomers, number 3 polymorphous, number 4 isomorphous. Correct option is polymorphous. MCQ number 28. In atomic crystals, which type of bonding is present? Number 1 ionic bonding, number 2 metallic bonding, number 3 covalent bonding, number 4 van der Waals forces. Correct option is metallic bonding. MCQ number 29. The structure normally associated with ionic bonding is number 1 a simple molecule, number 2 a giant lattice, number 3 a giant molecule, number 4 none of the above. Correct option is a giant lattice. MCQ number 30. Which one of the following pair of atoms is most likely to form an ionic bond? Number 1 sodium and fluoride, number 2 sodium and fluoride, number 2 nitrogen and fluoride, number 3 oxygen and fluoride, number 4 carbon and fluoride. Correct option is sodium and fluoride. I hope कि MCQs आपकी MDCAT की chemistry की revision में help कर रहे होंगे. If there are any suggestions, any corrections, any options, any further MCQs you want, you can contact us at batoolsmedical@gmail.com. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.